Go to learnwelsh.cymru. You'll see on the right hand side your name in the green box and My Learning in the blue box. Click on My Learning. This is your personal profile on learnwelsh.cymru. On the right hand side, you'll see a list of what's in your profile: My Learning, personal details, emergency contact, login details and update details. You'll be able to edit the content of these sections during the year if needed. The My Learning section is split into different categories. This is Lowry's profile. Lowry has registered on 2 courses and they appear in her profile: Foundation course and the entry-level course. The course hasn't started yet, but during the year Lowry will be able to look at this section and see her attendance percentage. The next section we're going to look at is the Combined Courses section. Click on Combined Courses. Lowry has registered under 1 combined course, so it appears in this section. Click on Launch. You can click on Continue to complete an unit that you've already started, or Start to start a new unit. It is very important to complete the online work before your lesson. There are hundreds of digital resources available on every level. Go to the My Resources section. To practice, click on Continue or Launch. If you like a video or an activity or want to practice again, click on the star. These resources will appear in your profile. Enjoy!